Now another question from your PCT is question number 47, where they had shown you a picture and they are asking what is the defect. So this is a defect of medial longitudinal fasciculus. Now this medial longitudinal fasciculus causes internuclear ophthalmoplegia. Inter means two nucleus and in between them are the fibers of this medial longitudinal fasciculus. These two nucleus are the sixth nucleus and the third nerve nucleus. Sixth nerve nucleus is coordinated by the PPRF, parapontine reticular formation, and the third subnucleus, third nerve ka subnucleus is actually coordinated by the medial longitudinal fasciculus. So whenever there is a deletion of the fibers of this medial longitudinal fasciculus which are in between two nucleus, the third nerve nucleus and the sixth nerve nucleus, it is called as the MLF lesion or the INO, and it consists of ipsilateral, means that side ka adduction deficit that due to the third nerve, but on the other side sixth nerve is all right because it's a lesion of MLF, not the PPRF. So on the other side you have the normal abduction along with the nystagmus also. So you have to remember ipsilateral adduction deficit with contralateral abduction nystagmus, and you will be so able to solve all the questions related to INO. Now these are not very commonly asked, so don't go into the details of this, but as a part of PCT I have kept it so that if you have covered all of the topics, you are knowing whole of the ophthalmology well and still you want to have an extra edge, then you can do these two questions also, not the main part. So these are the explanations of your question number 47. In the other video we have question number 53. Please look at them and you'll be able to do the questions. Thank you. Happy ophthalmology.